Little girl hears a strange sound down a concrete pit and finds a creature in need of help. Young Kara Bido was playing outside her home like she usually would. Everything seemed typical until Kara heard a strange noise coming from far off. She quickly ran over to see where the noise was coming from and was shocked by what she discovered. The Bido family was living in a residential home in Londonderry, Northern Ireland, when their 6-year-old daughter Kara made a shocking discovery. Kara was out and about playing outdoors when she heard a noise that she didn't recognize. Kara was immediately drawn to the sound and knew that it sounded off. The noise eventually led her to a concrete hole where she found the strangest things ever. She never expected to make such a serious discovery. Inside of the concrete hole was a badly hurt boxer dog. The dog was whimpering and couldn't get itself out of the hole. It also appeared that someone tried to cover the dog up with pieces of wood and bricks. Kara's immediate reaction was to run and find her father, Kenny. She told her father that she found a dog in a hole and they needed to save it. The young girl thought the dog had fallen in, but when Kenny approached the area, he realized that wasn't the case at all. Kara came home and said a pup had fallen down a manhole, but when I went with her back to where the dog was, I could see that wasn't the case at all, Kenny told the Belfast Telegraph. This was an adult dog that was left to starve to death down this concrete hole. Kenny quickly sprung into action to help save the poor boxer. He was able to eventually pull the dog out of the hole and bring it to safety. Her ribs were sticking out, so it had been quite a while since she'd eaten, Kenny said. Upon further inspection, Kenny discovered something even more heart-wrenching. The poor boxer was also blind. It's beyond my understanding how anyone could be this callous, he said. We're a family of animal lovers and have a dog ourselves, so we took her home with us and gave her a tin of food, which she gulped down in under 15 seconds, Kenny explained. The family then made a huge decision that would affect all their lives. The family all agreed to nickname the boxer Bella and to keep her at their home for the night so she could recover from her trauma. The family's 15-year-old son Ethan slept next to Bella all night so she'd be safe. The next day, the family contacted the Rainbow Rehoming Center in Eglinton. The charity helps abandoned dogs and cats find a new home, and the Bidos wanted to make sure that Bella would be safe. This dog was left to die down that hole, and it would have died if little Kara hadn't gone and told her daddy. Helen Davies, founder of Rainbow Rehoming Center, said, "The dog's just in a really bad way and her teeth are all broken or worn away." Davies noted that the damage to Bella's teeth indicated she was attempting to chew through metal chains. "We don't know who put her in the hole, but we do have evidence that she was neglected over a long period of time and that she was used exhaustively for breeding," Davies added. Davies also noted that whomever was neglecting Bella was more than likely profiting off the situation. She mentioned that it should be of grave concern to animal lovers everywhere. She explains how people can profit off abusing boxers. "It seems whoever did that has made an awful lot of money out of her, as boxer pups could be sold for maybe £300 or $400, Davies explained. "It also bothers me that these people don't pay any tax on that. There are millions of pounds being made in this country every year from such breeders, and they're usually selling pups that are not at all well." Despite Bella's horrible upbringing, many people quickly sympathized with the situation. A Facebook post describing the situation quickly garnered a lot of attention from users as it gained 750,000 views. This helped Bella a lot in the long run. Thanks to social media, Bella's story was made available to many different people. Eventually, the charity found a wonderful foster home for Bella to stay in. She was finally able to receive the love and care that she so desperately needed. After staying in a foster home for quite a while, the organization had finally even better news for Bella. They'd finally found her a permanent home, and she was even going to have a new brother, boxer dog Sunny. She settled in brilliantly, her new family revealed to the organization. Bella's now starting to relax and enjoy life, her home comforts, bossing her brother about and enjoying her fish or chicken dinners daily. Everyone online that was following Bella's story were also incredibly happy to hear for her and her new permanent family. What a wonderful end to a very sad story. And doesn't it restore your faith in human nature, one user wrote. "Lovely happy ending. May she have many years to enjoy her new family," wrote another. Thanks to Kara's discovery and Kenny's determination, Bella was able to live a wonderful life for the remainder of her days.